Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to talk about the Boston Whaler 2021 330 Outrage with twin 300s. What a phenomenal boat this is. It does a great job. You can get in the backwaters with it, but it also handles the big water very, very well also. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 33 Outrage. Let's start at the back of the boat. We've got a nice, really large live well in the back, so plenty of room for all the bait you're going to need for the day. You've got the fold-down seat that flips right up and makes a really nice leaning post with the rod holders across the back. Then over here we've got the dive door, which does many things. You can open it up, and you can, when I open it like this, you can board the boat on a floating dock. It's one level. The safest way you can get on a boat is right here. Also, bringing the fish, instead of bringing them over the gunnel, you can drag them right in. Your odds of losing the fish are a lot less bringing them off. Put them right in the fish box. Over here, a nice prep area. Just getting everything. You got to pull out spray for rinsing off the fish. And I've got the Yeti cooler that slides out, so when you want excess, you just slide the tray out, get what you want out, and slide it right back in. Then moving to the helm area, you've got a really nice setup here. The two large Raymarine touchscreens, just fantastic electronics here. Got an onboard computer here, digital throttle and shift, and then the joystick. I can do anything with it. I can make the boat go sideways. I can put it any spot, any condition. Also has sky hooks, so I can lock this if I'm out on the Gulf and I just want to sit in one position. I can hit the sky hook, locks me right in. And then it's got auto heading, so if you're going somewhere, you just point and shoot. It'll take me straight to where it is. There's no waypoints or that kind of thing. Really, really easy. So let's move past the head area. So it's good size. It's also rod storage. You've got the boarding ladder in there, and you've got the vacuum flash head, and it's really, really large and spacious. You got a window in there also. So up front, very nice setup here. This is huge storage on here. So you can see you can put a half a dozen rods in here. You can lock it. It's very deep. This also has the sunshade that comes all the way out to the, it gives you about 50% shade on there. Very, very nice. And if you just want to cruise, doesn't get much more comfortable than this. You can put 2 to 3 adults out here. Really, really comfortable. Great, great lounge seat. And also they added the sun pad in here as well. So very nice there. You've got the recessed windlass in there, so and you can fish from off the bow. The boat does everything very, very well. It's even got the radar on the top, full open array on that. So if you got any questions or would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.